I wish I'd dash how to swim. A. Know. B. Knew. C. Had known. You must apologize, dash, your behavior. A. For. B. To. C. Of. He will go to the market after he dash breakfast. A. Have. B. Has. C. Had. The teacher made us dash the essay again. A. To write. B. Writing. C. Write. I don't let my brother dash my laptop. A. To use. B. Use. C. Using. It's no good dash about it now. A. To talk. B. Talking. C. Talk. I saw her dash into the car. A. Get. B. Got. C. Getting. The cake smells dash. Deliciously. Deliciously. Delight. Dash, he work hard, he'll pass the test. A. Should. B. If. C. Unless. One of the students dashed absent today. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. They were looking forward to dash their friends. A. Meet. B. Meeting. C. Met. She'd rather dash home now. Number A. Go. Number B. Went. Number C. Going. He is interested dash learning Spanish. A. In. B. On. C. At. Not until she left. Dash. I realize her value. A. Did. B. Do. C. Does. They insisted dash coming along. A. In B. On. C. At. He did it dash, his own risk. A. At. B. On. C. Under. She was born dash 2002. A. In. B. On. C. At. I am confident dash my decision. A. With. B. On. C. About. The book is full of useful tips. A. Of. B. With. C. About. We were surprised dash the news. A. With. B. By. C. On. She divided the cake dash 3 children. A. Among. B. Between. C. Into. This medicine will help you dash your cold. A. With. B. In. Against. He agreed dash help us. A. To. B. With. C. On. They objected dash his rude behavior. A. At. B. To. C. On. She blamed me dash the mistake. A. Of. B. For. C. On. They warned him. Dash the danger. A. About. B. From. C. Of. They succeeded dash hard work. A. By. B. Through. C. With. I congratulated her dash her promotion. A. On. B. For. C. About. She insisted that he dash the truth. A. Tells. B. Tell. C. Told. J. $30. It's time you dash responsibility. A. Take. B. Took. C. Taken. I'd rather you dash here earlier next time. A. Come. B. Came. C. Had come. A. If I dash rich, I would travel the world. A. Was. B. Were. C. Am. The manager, as well as his assistants, dash present. A. Are. B. Were. C. Is. I saw the cat dash across the road. A. Run. B. Ran. C. Running. You must be aware, dash the rules. A. For. B. Of. C. With. He succeeded dash his dedication. P. Because. Do. H. Of heat. Do. I look forward to dash from you soon. A. Hear. B. Hearing. C. Heard. Not only the boys, but also the girl dash late. Were. Are. They made us dash the forms again. A. To fill. B. Filled. C. Fill. He is good dash playing the guitar. A. At. B. In. C. On. He prevented me, dash, entering the room. A. Of. B. From. C. To. And I am sorry, dash, the delay. A, for, B, to, C, about. If she dashed earlier, she would have caught the train. A, leaves, B, left, C, had left. I prefer dash tea over coffee. A, drinking. B, drink. C, to drink. Dash you studied, you would have passed. A, had. B, have. C. We were shocked, dash the news. Pairing. A, on. B, at. C, for. The teacher had the students dash quietly. A students have to sit. 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 Sitting. Each of the answers, dash checked carefully. A, were. B, is. C, have been. She let him dash her car. A, to use. B, using. C, use. He would have come if he dash, invited. A, was. B, had been. C, were.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.